a free KMA. Now statement no dey make kan ye ko wie ya na mebusa mo se Nsaman babiu wo KMA. According to the statement I'm making kan no sa na me ntiase me nyae eno no. Ma me kwa ma no so na me ni the chief executive de ma Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly. Ayenua Richard Kwesi Oforiajiman Buadi. Kinzuba, Chief, good morning.
Good morning. We am pacho want to say.
You hear now so eh?
Yes, I do me am here.
Wunu aketwa na mete won kanche.
I am.
Mete won kanche pa. But me hu we hear adwuma.
Yeah, so am no mood.
And
me say me dey me Sister Balco, a friend of my Wilson, or Takradi, or Wolfie tells it, Mintimin will be our boom besides an alcohol.
Wow.
May show about this time, few bombs in a visa where they say that we shall not pay, so I just had a chair, no man as well.
Kratanwa 87.9 Eba we share in a headline or KMA to reintroduce enhanced Nsaman sanitation system from 1st July.
Yo, Memfa wafidi so srawadi eba. Me eat mabuan for na moment here man tena muso so mimono. Bako ye friend na mo Nsaman. Ne papeu. Because the other way, I practically put our change. I had a job, my Baba.
Aye, me as you know. I mean, your parents,
my Baba.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Me share with you.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And fancy, say you will be due her at Timicon in Miami as Sema Committee, environment and sanitation. Na eka ye po ewura ni fi hono afi ekume na ma hwe ni ya ka be meneme enti o se me hwe kwan bia me fa so a me ye bibia so ina ekuye
Akoma FM 87.9
said be ya ebe bua ama eka no so na ye fa se na ye se efiro ye no potem ye nyumem na goma ne suta na efino ensura boani na no de abre da kugu baby na afi e boka kese ni ye di ku yifiro na ano na ye dwendwene ho ye pe enoma ahodoa ye de be bra ba ku ni ye ko pe technology a abebua yen na yakwem ka kwem ahodoa no ye bi yi enipa afa wo mo no de afio ya mi ado ye nyebi nyaka abebua yen ama ye kwem no Bribia cast in the before a be a debia waka quern mubia yempevia. A shred nimu say Yamaya Doma 1 year about every training a driver for Umbe Suka, no Mabi Kukana, Sumi 12th of June. Say if you ada. Na Amabema, now for a be Susaka no training. Yanasana, let who be here say, yes, so no man look na fe eboa ema eka yebo no asote na ade ba ko aye hono kane no yeso ano na KMA ni even KCC bi asa jo mo de mama to KCC na wo ho pantem ba ko na KCC fo aba omo mo se brown no ene sigat no ye ne na mantem no ba bia ufi ugata no kra ihu abuto bi ka kra anu kra yerebe koko enti sabe no bako kuma se mo ne fitru ni asafune ni hasta ne za abate no aka te bia mu ye kama unte eti bia gugate eja isa no mano egumenti no obi a ye di ope ensu to anu obi abetu gata ewo egu gata mu ewo ni fie no ma ya bata enti ye de sa Jumana, he didn't know, and maybe a tremor. As I did. And this is the terms were about the terms were and about pa, meaning I owe. Ya ben nan temo nyina ogata itiwu yacho obi di wura bugu fie ka ma yacho on fitri efwa yacho e fi bi e won potem obi e betem za do money bi e be hu no fie ana wo store ana wo container ni bi a ye becho ye ti wona e boy 11 pe wo ya ti mo ye ti wa ye wo de ke ba e di e ti wa de do akotran ke no enye de ye to ama trata na ti
okay.
Aha, yes.
Second in the na yama krata sebra. Na wa ma fe ni echesu no. We dey
adana ye chi wa na do trake. Ediri atu di enhance Nsaman system. Ye ma krata se fabra bio. Adana ye chi na adana ye do kokko.
Enya fe ni e be ma sport fine bi asetua we.
Debi ye chi mo anya do kokko. 11. Every 11 akoka 2 o'clock no. Ni di masem awo court wewe na court ne ka se kofi ana oko oka ko dem ana wako oka so tia fire na otia ye wo gidi se ye de sa ne ye no ba abeboa ama efina akofo tugu basabasa haye na de eka ekumi no so better.
But first one now, the most start here now, mama tax for your friend say, minimum say, I mean, cause tax force and you want to change for street so central business street.
Central business area.
I don't know. What has been the assessment?
So no more na. Yeah. You can say, ebe boy. Inti yadi achie dem bema.
So it means that I don't know it's still in force, right?
It's still in force. Because and you say Miami and San no many bola and many and call KJJ Potemone. Me no dear. A bed is ever concealed with the ball abato.
Oh, okay, Matthias here.
MTN run about also and I will say I no master boxes be ever home. But the movement is boxes, no, say, Mr. Chop money, no. Almost send her, I'm will be by faculty. But so goes a ball of Pagu, empty about to say, and a city hospital about to suppose there was stubborn ones to be a 2 about 1 year. A man almost on to idea or no. Or more Eddie B at the Faho. Yes, our program, and I say, I bet found in a big now. You who say ye the side bemwado and no ye
I see. And you know, I don't know revenue at the buyer nina no more home
a consolidated account revenue number KMA quarter fine with the hours a consolidated account.
Oh, and idea a call individuals on so call.
Yeah, if you're quite a fast way, a individuals ya mombi.
So far, no,
you're fine court there. I just a court in your specific secretary Africa way. But say the Ghana man, the 5 year court, we are consolidated account. Of course, the consolidated account, no Muslim, you common fund.
87.9 Kumasi.
Matuase. And so far, no, Nipa that's why more the last time I'm with you will be at a bay.
This week, Minyam find the out number. Me, environmental officer, no, me find out for mono and ne. Namashe Nipa between last week and this week, almost I can't walk.
Oh, okay. Now, and Nsaman dear, no back to Nsaman dear, no. Message be a man, yes, he says 11 dear. Nka ntwam a nko be 5
5 na time me number what and on say ye ya kan foi ye anopa ne sorry prefi anya sa
no cre
ye sorry a obi a ba so anopa no a prefi nti emo no twe e ko no obi a pe bi fufra ye nti de share no watch say no watching there na wa pra bia pra wo fie no mpotema no wa yewi take bit na bantem but oba no so a ka bre naturally that time no be a keeping fie eti oba na ese adwuma no ba ye meye kinchira also beteme but what I say na if it's no pa no watch ya ko 11 3 hours in there baby I went to make keeping it need to be na that's all
say no me kai that time na wo kroketu mu na omo ba omo dru station ho omo park omo car ne saa na ya so mirikam ye kofi akoba amane ye Nsaman fo na ba
me so no bom so omo ba na bom so dwomu ho no omo ba be gira ho ene ni pa bu fa so papa but ma yeah important no na me na bi me na ya me va de tese ba sa dia o be ba no o ni ma me eti be ye fe me kwa bedu a ono so ko ne kete no go ne kete a fobo so ba ekwa dia ye wa ha se ye o be ye kwa dia me yo no mo dia so ni oh enti ubo se ma me fo panyefo ho na omo na aye omo supervisors omo boa se bibia be ye kama beda no kwa no what I say eti jubedi bia nyina yidi ni be boa
okay na je be hu omo cast no Nsaman fo ni bo sa term no say term no say beba bio Nsaman fo ni bo eni e be yiri okruma anyway but it is good I think say ebeboa eno ye niam bia betimi aboa ma kro yeah
onim eno me bi ho aye sha se ntama eboa ye enso to yi se nkai flood berebe ya so on the flood regional minister eni ye shia ema be bi atafo ya ye ho adwuma pa yi pa o gavana no enso to a ko hwimu be se enso na kwa na block obi entimi ko bi am mbaso ata
ampa
Matias ya ejuma regional minister me di kan ye ya ansa na enso no tie se form no aboaye ama ta o hawe ama enumpo no yenwie yo waja se baby wo haye baby tisa kweti ala ya ye ne be 5 times in the last 2 months this week ye be san kwakoye waja se ndino be wo haye sha se ne ye ne ntama eboayen ama ye nyina ho hare ndi se ka ye ke no bi a sha se keep the fie ye gata mbola ye di gum ye nyina ye jaya ebe boa ya mama ntem obi a hare etore bi a mintini passe obe pra bola wa boa no abobo ya fo etwem ana companies ahudo ya omtisa bola ompotem ahudo e omutwem now the man upia 5 series ana 3 series the man eya so ba kujira kota kutia ta into
I see enti flood in India no ye ma ye ninyi se ye nsusu ye de ayeye ana ye too early say ye be kan say because we be nsu aton kran bi ana bi nto ha o
so I was about kind of particular flood or there's a particular flood but ya hai ye gusu ye adwuma assemblies ahudu a greater commerce nye KMA nkwa regional minister here so obia baba ye adwuma at least ebema ensuo akwan ahudu emu bedda ho a ensuo to a so betimi afem ebe yiri ensuo no be yiri but ya directing ya obefama kwa emfa ofa obi ambe enti eguso woman na ochi bia regional minister pese ohun ba bi obi aye adwuma bia enti eguso aye
chief that's about airport runabout
ma me fa
we na me so fa ma de said em fa ma
okay yeah one year for billboard if it's a 100 roundabout call towards Matinga Junction so be a man to am koji money mo fa say na ka be na fa highlight say any one e dey go ka be bia forestry one office or be chair department or about rules, so try be an idea. 1 year all boss or in a say more up to Yawadanopa will be any. 1 year all billboard the fees and dancing and about Edifa Patasic wine so Echo can Holy Mary. Maybe Holy Mary or Penny if you don't try or more billboard winning house or more Kokanyawada or Musuni. So I'm the fees and dancing and about the Coca Star dancing, dancing at Christian Service University College, no. And also, more billboard in up to Yawada will be any inferior. 1 year or Santasan about there be a taxi rank and war, more continents, warfare, friends, a dime beer, a war, walk back of one war, continents no one in or more up to Quesiada will be a Joada excavators, any bulldozers, and their soldier for ever baho. And Potemos, and that's one about taxi rank and all. Ubi be all contain a beer because Quesiada, only and found for parks and gardens. There be a yes, the ama warm one. Ubi a winning co be a excavator the bulldozer, you are a more for no man. Yes, sir, as ever for a hundred runabout. Monument Casabi, Oba, Pongua, a Chumaka, Maru about in a bois, KMA, and my year no mamma part a person. Ye. Saa monument no e de afiri ho e be di saa adwuma no ya wada anajo ye fre adaba for say mudru ho a mfidi akese e be ba ho ya wada efiti 8 o'clock e de ko enwuma ni nyina no and am say fidi akese e be ba nto bi ate enka na wo drive it towards ahodro about that ye fre na watobo yetimi wie ne ntama ye be ko di saa adwuma na obi e was fantastic one about no so monument this year ye be kwa kuku ye fro so ye nwie ahodro na about the anything and ye be to so e was fantastic one about Friday yes sir and have for moti enka mo be approach ahodro na about any fantastic one about if it you 8 o'clock e ko ye wa da dwuma any if it you 8 o'clock if you da dwuma e be di saa dwuma na fidi akese e be ba ho nti ye sir aya na maboaye na mo ba mato mo kaka
me so ma dis ready
ebio enua ewo ahodro and about e dey ko keka ewa kejesi efi animo Holy Mary hono saa enua ni nyina no so efiti yawada e be twitwa enua na ewo saa kwan no nyina ba bia akwan double wood aye ndo aka ye ne be fa ni nyina fa da kwadwum e be twitwa enua ni nyina ndi ye se omo moton cars no so uka esi ba bia edua wa odaroma yawada yifri ho na yenya access ni ndi kasa anua ni nyina fa
na je se bibia e clear se enche contractor ne be ye adwuma
mbaso
okay wadaroma me susumi die nie airport runabout
abana yesterday asaba dawo
asaba
yabe
daben
yabe this week because of our hundred runabout one and man dos woman so this week yabe mu we did say ye preparation we na next week me the matter is because when him hono ya dem contract be wan kwan ni enti mia kasa pese mia kasa me den ko fo ko jino menya mabo ya mix ka se menyo obi no wache me beauty men ya mix mia me de papa ko twa kwa
Akoma FM 87.9
okay I see na stadium command say ye wi ana ye ma omo ebre kaka
le be enwi kwa enwi na no kwa meti say yes obi se o akojeji sikandina waje tinam sene so ba ko ni me
ebi so akojeji iska
meti yes o ma ko jeji iska
and engrofo beka because action bi ana no ukoye ya once ama bi o na say what pursue ho age kakra
na ga say so obi ka say mi ye bibi no be ya ma sika na meje ya tari pa no ni me no obi o ni me pia me say ka min yansa de pesca but min de pronostica patia de pesca but sika ye pronostica pa de nyame man parliament me de adwuma me ye ne be bo ni pa krono ma me we na me nyibida na de wo mu ni pa na ye adwuma ya show mu de ye pe o fa wa obo se de container sample la ya pese o mo de ba ho no ye de bia ba besi ho
mahu oh yes mahu so ma start the be ehye ho ne ade a
esi ho ya hye sample no ho esi ho eti me metro NADMO coordinator Radela ene me chairman for the work sub committee honorable Razak and you what will happen is that with my uniform container one color properly designed ebe bua me krono effect na nkoye prekese na egu nti ensihye ne say obetimi no why the same thing untimi nyi no obetimi obeyi container na de akọ na so ofia the aqua. But you see, when there are too many hectic activities ahead of you, you did them one by one. And me assure say works subcommittee and they not before and check on me 2 or 1 and I'm on idea for say ye baho they can say evacuation. I die a evacuation. Money na buy you know me didn't come on. Obia was said they will do what I want to see there. Yes, it's not proper. It's a stadium. Yeah, gate kwa wall here near the container kwa kosio. Ever the second has nipa bomb ayema na BBSC. Now nipa also mo free ho entama gate ho near the container. So we get rid of all those ones. So they be ya nipa nkwa. Ebetime ya se papa e dia bo ehoma na stadium no so ehwa te na ehu edi nti ada ye be si hobi no de no me for the cripple
action song but if we adwuma o abadade ba ko a metiefo ne team no yanka se ebusi e ho ye na ntwe de still la no na ntwe de ho nkontabuo wada ma dodo se no wache
me kwachi 11
what you am way
yet you almost your side of Asokwa, KMA side of Asokwa. Yet you almost KMA side of Asokwa. Akoma 11. And yet you. Yeah, 11. No, no police in Ibidia.
What's it?
Yeah, 11. No police in Ibidia.
87.9 Kumasi.
Yeah, no, action ever. Ye review of one a quiet password here. Baby, ye keep you warm. A quiet what going the entire 6 days as well as the rubber. A quiet password if video me a review. We'll see how we'll package an activity to deal with it comprehensively. But because him, then no. Oh, we are some of the environmental reasons that one assembly they try to work here, I mean tobacco. The assemblies now a try KMA work here. So, in some woman getting now one, there's no way KMA can do it. For my example, Ulfa Swami, municipal, baby, about one. Oya Swami. 100 meters away, no about to do a report. Ora KMA. Ofa Swami Methodist GHS Hoya Swami. 20 meters across Aurora Islamic Senior High School Hoya KMA.
87.9 Kumasi.
What's that also? And the baby when you war for Kotoko Kotoko Swami a boys house or Asia they call Ahmadiyya Muslim missions for and Ghana Muslim missions for no and Portable. So we will ensure how all cross about him territory easy. And the Swami one of boys Aquana, Yajuma Mede. If you Ufa Quetiala, Omon and Joe, who you know, where I swam up. All cross about easy. And just say, I'm why as Aquana as well. Abede. Over Asokwa. In fact, Nigeria yeti wo mo airport na niwa no. So Asokwa ko ato so potemo.
Our police ni.
Police ni. What they say. Over hono. Ofa budog, 1 side. Asokwa. One side okay me. 1 side. 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 1 What you say?
Yeah.
Enti ofa ho saa na ebeba be roha ne ye be de.
Say me
Omo amaga abo Kumasi ewe ekwan na ye fa so ko airport ECG ni mu ni na ya so ma po. What you say? Baby etuti amofre min ka the normal circumstances ka ya so ma po. Mado ase. Ike bi e obi a omo de die. Bejuma bo obi aso o KMA ne friend.
Wei de mensa kana anopai enra na obi send ma na mbeso ogina so na wuti ade kakra. Wo de gina so ne tie na mpacho yewi ana yewi kra.
Bra, ke police street na wei bogafo ni na nam hasa no. Enti fama Akoma FM for why. Ke police street, KMA for me sa omonko. Obi ani omachi, omo ane nam. Omo bo street, idi agro, obeku ba ko.
Omo se omo de buy ha na dru ho. Nti wa wuti papa ya wo se
uti emia, me say so, benya ekika kwa kweti alai.
Ai.
Omo buru wona eba o. Wona ye na nju amugo. No akoke poleo. Mbajo ate ase. Amukumo wona ye na nju de cheme bi ye na nju amukumo.
Me de ntimi njiro chief.
Enti agise ye ne assemblies ni nyina. Se say abo eba airport runabout. Airport runabout wure mu fa like so de wo ko ofruko ababu station onyina nka KMA ho. Nti emu anu friwa no aberu mu awura ba fa de chenso. Nti agise ye ne assemblies na omo ye nchedi nyina akabo ne pe one plan, otherwise it will be difficult for KMA to succeed. Based on the AD carrier, it will be difficult to for KMA to succeed. And then again, Sergio, any power the audio no send one. Oh,
a video crap.
Any video no send. Oh, friend, catch say, try the property with picture, receipt of answer on yama. What you say?
I know, Chess, no.
I know, Chess, she can edit in and she know.
I say biso awon so nkoso okoje.
Oh, afi ye di obi an ka be la man. Obi an wo KMA jurisdiction ma ne bill for property rate ne nsanya nkai. But what I say?
I see.
Obi an wo KMA jurisdiction ma, because now what is happening is that any market ya city assemblies no revenue KMA di ejuma ko where all the industrial sites are in Asoka. Magazines revenue nyina wo swame. Central market ni hobio. Ndi aka risk cost any property rate. Ndi bibia ye bia on daily basis e cap the briba ye bono. Wọ́n ní jìnnà amanfoɔ no so. Nti wɔn a wɔwɔ efi ahodoɔ ne business ahodoɔ, business operating permit ɛne wɔ property rate. Wotwia de boa ya na afei deɛ wɔretwerɛ adwuma na ahoɔden wɔ hɔ. Nti yɛfrɛ sɛ when people are pointing to problems no, wɔn pointing to wɔn property rate receipt na wɔn ma yi ho no kwan a wɔn fa so aboa ya problems na wɔn kyerɛ yɛn no. Yes, we are ready to provide it. Now,
right.
Company for say,
I see. Yada say, Alaji nje say, Ochiao, also why I dear pa na Nsaman no. Omunyina wombe support na bibia ye kama.
Alaji nje are very, very supportive. Very extremely supportive. That means
right, Chief, yada say.
Okay.
Yo, that's a pa. That is that. Inti anu ya de tie no busiafo. Say Akoma FM na. As if am omo. Boga fo no na. Enam street no so no. Omu yi atia. Mini advance kum.